So in this video, you'll learn how to put your Nintendo Switch 2 in sleep mode when connected to TV. So putting your Nintendo Switch 2 in sleep mode is fairly simple. What you're going to do is just look for the sleep mode icon in this toolbar at the very bottom. Once you found sleep mode, you're just going to select it and then confirm that you wish to enter sleep mode. Once you've done that, your Switch has now entered sleep mode. If you wish to wake it, then you can just go ahead and just press on the relevant buttons to wake it up. So whenever you're waking up your Switch after it's in sleep mode, you're just going to press on A, and then from here, you're going to press on the home button. So go ahead and press on the home button on your console. Then you can see it's automatically woken up. Then the next step is to press on A again. And once you've done that, you can see you've successfully woken your Switch from sleep mode. If you see that your console has not successfully detected both controllers, you want to go ahead and press on the other controller it hasn't detected so that the connection can be established. Once the connection has been successfully established, you can now start using your Nintendo Switch 2 console again. Alternatively, you can always choose to enter sleep mode by accessing the quick settings menu. Again, when it comes to accessing the quick settings menu, you're just going to long press on the home button like that. And then you should see sleep mode. Once you see sleep mode, you're just going to select it and you'll still put your console in sleep mode. And so that's how you can successfully enter and exit sleep mode on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you have any questions or comments about this process, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.